Borno State Governor Prof. Babagana Zulum has unveiled plans to procure electric vehicles to ease transportation costs for Maiduguri residents while pledging to rehabilitate key infrastructure damaged by the September flood. This announcement came as the Flood Relief Disbursement Committee submitted its final report to the Governor at the Borno State Government House. Trustee Bitrus Kurutsi reports on this and more.
The Flood Relief Disbursement Committee convened at the Borno State Government House to present its final report after 4 months of work directed by Governor Zulum. Led by Chairman Engineer Babagana, the committee disclosed that it had distributed 18 billion naira along with food and non-food relief items to 100,000 and 1,330 households impacted by the disaster. Key allocations included 987 million naira for over 7,000 traders, 313 million naira for 814 religious centers, 213 million naira for more than 200 schools, 89.4 million naira for 1,788 individuals, and 12.5 million naira for 22 private clinics. The committee recommended that the remaining 4.4 billion naira be allocated to infrastructure rehabilitation. Governor Zulum assured the public that the recommendations would be implemented and directed the establishment of a permanent disaster response office within the State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA.
I also want to comment on your recommendations. You have made about 5 solid recommendations, and I want to assure you that government will implement your recommendations. One of the most important recommendations that this particular committee did is that of the establishment of permanent disaster response structure within the State Emergency Management Agency. Inshallah, we shall do so.
Your Excellency, we are grateful for the overwhelming support we received from the federal and state governments, organizations, individuals, and corporate entities. The donation we received in cash total 28,224,364,263 naira 34 kobo. This includes the 10 billion donated by the Borno State Government.
In a separate event, Governor Zulum commissioned the remodeled Borno State Hotel in Maiduguri, featuring a state-of-the-art conference hall, luxury suites, and a restaurant serving local and international cuisines. The governor, visibly impressed, highlighted the project's potential to drive economic growth, create jobs, and generate revenue for the state.
I want to see how, within the remaining period of my time as the governor of Borno State, to invest in the private sector that will yield more dividend to the government of Borno State. On this note, once again, I want to commend the Borno Investment Company. I want to commend the MD particularly and his team, and most especially those that recently joined him, especially the chairman and his members. We shall support them.
The governor also revealed that rehabilitation work on the Maiduguri International Hotel is underway as part of efforts to boost the state's revenue. Bitrus, Kurutsi, Trust TV News, Maiduguri.